Open the door!
Do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here.
Get out.
Get over here. Get your hands. Get your hands up now.
On March 23, 2025, sheriff's deputies were dispatched to a domestic disturbance reported by a child about her own father. What followed raised one of the most contested questions in Fourth Amendment law. When may an officer cross the threshold of a private home without a warrant?
You might want that though, because he's acting like a moron.
Okay. How you doing, man?
What you want?
Hey, come on, talk to me.
No, I don't need to.
All right. Well, what's going on tonight, man?
You called these?
I've been standing there with you the whole time.
Why the are you out here?
Well, come out here and talk to me, man.
No, why the are you here?
Okay, somebody called.
Paisley, come
Here we go. Bye.
No. County 9510, get me another unit out here.
What you gonna do? You can't do shit. Get a warrant.
Come out here, man.
You wanna play?
Brandon, we're not
Let's play.
We're not doing
No,
that.
we're not doing
play?
that. Come out here and talk to me.
Move.
We're not doing
You wanna
that.
play?
I don't want to play anything.
Get a
We're
warrant.
not slamming the door. We're not doing this.
Who called you?
Don't ball your fist up at me, man.
Oh, I'm holding my thumb.
Okay.
You. If
Come
I
on.
were to ball my fist up
Come out
at
here
you,
and talk to me, man.
I'll push you in the ground.
You're not. That's not gonna happen,
You want to bet?
man. I'm just trying to see what was. Someone was concerned. Somebody called.
Who?
It doesn't matter who.
Yep. Now who?
It doesn't matter.
Who called?
It doesn't matter, man. I just want to make sure everyone's safe.
Yep. Everybody's safe. Thanks for stopping
No,
out.
that's not how this is gonna work. How many people are in the house?
Step up here and threaten me one more time. Take one more step, and now you're threatening me, and I'm gonna put you in the ground.
All right. Here's what's gonna happen.
Here's what's
somebody
gonna
called 911. I'm here to make sure everything's all right.
Okay, everything's
I'm gonna talk to everybody in this house.
Yeah, everything's fine.
All right. I'm not.
If you hit my door one more time, I'm gonna put you in the goddamn dirt.
All right. You can step out of the way, and I can talk to the rest of the people in this house. That's what's gonna happen.
No, no, you can't.
Here. You're not in charge of this. Is what?
You want to bet?
Yes, I do. Get your hands out of your pockets.
Or what?
Get your hands out of your pockets.
Why? Oh, I'm gonna hit you with a napkin.
I don't know what's in your pocket.
Oh, I don't own a gun. I don't have guns. I hate guns.
How many people are in this house? I need to talk to them, make sure everything's all right.
No, you don't need to talk to anybody.
That's not.
You don't need to talk to anybody in this house.
All right. How much have you
And
had
the
to drink
reason
tonight?
being, because no, everything's fine. Everything's copacetic.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking to talk to the rest of the people in this house.
You ain't gonna talk to my kids.
I am gonna talk to them.
No, you ain't. Who do you think you are?
Look, I don't know you and you don't know me.
Exactly.
Okay.
And I'm telling you.
I'm telling you.
You ain't talking to my kids. How about that? And you know who the I am.
I don't know who you are. I've never met you a day in my
bullshit,
life.
because you
All right,
threw it over
you can come out here and talk to me. Is what can happen.
No, if I walk down these stairs, me and you are gonna wrestle.
That's not gonna happen. I'm telling you that right now.
No, because you're gonna try to put your hands on me.
Well,
And I'm gonna put you in the
I'm
dirt.
concerned for both my safety and the safety of the rest of the people in this house.
I didn't touch nobody.
I didn't ask you.
So get in your little patrol car and get the off my property.
That's not gonna happen.
You want to bet?
I told you what's gonna happen.
Because I just told you, get the
I don't
my
care
property.
what you told me. I'm here because
It's
somebody
a private
called.
drive. Get the out of here.
I don't care what it is.
Oh, you don't care.
Have you not realized that you're not in control of the situation?
I am in control.
You are not in control.
You want to bet?
So you can let me talk to the rest of the people.
No, you won't talk to my kids.
Man,
There you go.
you want to come talk to me? You are not going to stop her from talking to me. That's not going to happen.
If she wants to go around the other way, she can talk to you. If I come down these stairs, me and you are going to wrestle.
We are not going to wrestle. I can
wanna
guarantee
bet?
you that. Why don't you just have a seat
For what?
so I can do my job?
Your job is done.
My job is not done.
Bye.
All right. Do not close that door.
You walk up these stairs and you come up one more, I'm going to take that as a threat. And
You
now
can
I got
say-
every
you-
right to put you in the ground.
That is not how this is. Do not. Do not.
Do not what?
Do not. Step away from me. Step away from me.
You can't do shit to me in my house.
Get down the stairs now. Get down here.
You can't do nothing to me.
County 9510, 1 at Taser Point.
At the door, the subject refuses contact, responds with profanity, and clenches his fist, a recognized pre-assaultive indicator. He threatens to, quote, push you in the ground, places his hands in his pockets, and refuses to let the deputy verify the children's welfare. The controlling standard comes from Brigham City versus Stuart. Officers may enter a home without a warrant when they have an objectively reasonable basis to believe an occupant faces serious injury. In January 2026, the Supreme Court reaffirmed this in Case versus Montana. Probable cause is not required. Here, the deputy possessed a 911 call from a child inside, a family member's contemporaneous report, and explicit threats of violence. The subject slams the door. Officers request a taser at point and make entry.
Open the door! Open the door! Where's he at?
You can't do anything. You're not allowed in my house.
Get in here!
Get out.
Get over here! Get your hands! Get your hands up now! I am not doing this. Get your fucking hands up! Get your fucking hands up!
Stop!
Get your we're past this. Get your fucking hands up! Get your hands up!
I'm being dead serious.
Turn around!
Zeke, stop!
Turn
Stop.
around!
Stop! I got a cane corso.
Get
Stop! Stop! Zeke.
Put away!
Get your fucking hands up!
Let's go. Let's go.
Turn around! Stop coming towards me!
I'm coming to talk to you.
Get your fucking hands up! Turn around!
You're not allowed in this house.
Turn around! Turn around. Get your hands behind your back. Now. Does that look like your back?
Yep. They're behind my head. They're behind me. Hey.
Do not move. Do you understand me? Get your other hand back here. I didn't tell you to move. Let's go.
Dude, hey, I'm being serious.
I don't care what you are. This was simple. What you had to do was you had to follow
No, what was
instructions.
simple is I shut my door and I told you I didn't need you.
I didn't care.
Hey, he walked in my house unlawful.
Do not move your hands. Do you understand me?
You get off your power trip real quick, bud. You walked
need
in
to
my...
stop or you're getting ready to go back on the ground. Enough.
Would have been simple had you just sat down.
Get your hands off me, please. I haven't given him any kind of trouble.
Is that why you had to point a taser at you?
Oh, what? When he walked in my house unlawful?
We're here for a disturbance. So
Let's
we
play
can't
that
walk in the
game.
house.
When he
Sit down.
walked, when I...
Sit down.
Have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
Oh my... You just slammed my mother... Who the...
Get in the seat.
Who the you think you are? You
Get in the
slammed my head off the wall.
If you'd sit down, you
Get-
could
No!
Get in the seat.
Get off me, and
Get in
I'll
the-
get in. Get your hands off me,
Get in the seat.
motherfucker.
He's got his hands off you. You said you were going to get in. Get in.
I am. Shut up.
You got about 3 seconds before we
Or
put hands
what?
back
Or
on you.
what?
I'm going to put hands back on you and make you get in
Oh,
the seat.
yeah?
Sit down.
I'm in. Get your... You a big motherfucker, aren't you, when tough are on someone's back?
The backup deputy presents the taser but does not deploy. He holds, commands, and allows compliance. A textbook mid-continuum response under Graham versus Connor. With the subject secured, the complainant explains she had her daughter call 911 privately so the subject wouldn't know a deliberate safety planning decision. The deputy provides practical guidance on obtaining an emergency order of protection under Illinois law.
How you been?
How you been, big guy?
All right.
How's it going?
He's like that all the time when he drinks.
Yeah.
Man.
I imagine you would
yeah.
know.
Yeah, I know him too well.
He called. Well, the kid called.
The kid called, yeah. Okay.
That's fine. I'm fine. Charges.
Tina, you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not upset that he's going. I'm very grateful. But he's he's gonna get released and come right back to us. Gonna do us no good. He just holes in my walls because look at all these fireball and shit. And finally, because he keeps yelling at my daughter. And so finally I said next time he raises his voice, I would just take it to your and call 911 so he doesn't know that I did it, because I can't get by myself long enough just to get him to go, because I can't stand the verbal abuse and him breaking everything every time I blink.
Yeah.
You know, you're a little bitch-ass dog, I guarantee it. And I will press charges on this motherfucker.
We have one son together, but I have 4 other children, and my children are biracial, those 4. And I'm so tired of all the time recently hearing Nick this and Nick that, and because I went and I didn't ask him for permission to buy that Jeep 2.5, 3 years ago. I have to hear about that all the time, and I bought got a loan and for my oldest son for his truck, and like he's in here trying to slamming everything and going on and carrying on because I bought or he thinks I only co-signed, but co-signed him in trucking. And what if he wants something? I should be able to co-sign for him.
Oh, I hope they let you out, because I'll let my fucking dog out on you too. And my dog is gonna fucking kill you. Trust me. They can't do shit to me. I didn't do anything fucking wrong.
All right. Well, what did he break? What did he break tonight?
Nothing yet.
Okay.
Just slamming everything around. So, you know, it's getting ready to. You see, this is how he fixes holes when he scotch tapes them and shit. I can't even use my stove because he flung shit across the kitchen a couple weeks ago and shattered the glass of the stove.
Okay.
The most we're gonna, she's right. The most we're gonna be able to take him for is resisting, and then he's just gonna get out.
Here he goes. Yep. Let me go. No. I'm done. You ain't gonna want this fucking lawsuit, because y'all gonna get a lawsuit. Trust me. Slam my fucking face. Walked in my house with no warrant. Threatened to tase me. Let's see how that shit holds up in court.
I feel like I can be out here when he's not here, because when he's not here and I'm out here, I can just like sit here and chill with my mom and everyone else, and I'm fine. But when he's here, I feel like I can't do that because he either pesters me or bothers me or yells at me for something. So I kind of just stay in my room the entire time.
Okay. So what do you want done? What do you want to happen here?
I want to know how I can get him just to be out of here for good.
Okay. Has anybody talked to you about getting it like an emergency restraining order protection or anything?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know anything about those.
Okay. So what I'm going to recommend is go up to the Washington County Courthouse in Nashville, okay? Go meet with usually the circuit clerk or somebody. They have an advocate there who can help you get the papers filed. But essentially you fill out the form, it goes to the judge, and you tell the judge, hey, this is what's going on. You know, you tell him the history.
I was praying to God the beginning of this month they were going to keep him when he went to court. But they just gave him another court date and extended it all the way out to June.
Hi. All right, boss man, slide out. You good?
All these guys for me? Shit!
The subject is charged with domestic battery and resisting a peace officer. Final grades. The responding deputy, B. Legally sound, tactically adequate, but at times centered in the fatal funnel. The backup deputy, B+. Restraint where restraint mattered. The subject, F. Every lawful off-ramp was rejected. In Illinois, a person may not lawfully resist even an unlawful arrest. The complainant, A-. Strong situational judgment under ongoing stress. The child who called 911 A+, her composure is the reason every other party in this home is safe tonight.